Good morning, everyone. Now it's Saturday, May 5. It's a beautiful flower. This is one of the spring flower here in Texas. It's a beautiful and sunny day. I like it. Everything is green. Everything is blue. Everything is perfect day. So, happy weekend, everyone, and enjoy with your loved ones and with family.
Good morning, guys! Now it's May 5 na ngayon. So, yesterday, galing kami sa, asa ba yun? Texas Canton na na-meet ko si Sister Hannah. Hello, Han! How are you? So, ngayon, Saturday, ang work ko pa naman is 3. Magluluto muna ako ngayon ng almusal ko. And then, papaliguan ko ang aking mga baby. Ayan. Yan sila. They take a bath last December pa, guys. Ay, ang tagal na. So, ngayon may open na. Bumili ako ng jasmine rice kasi naubusan ako ng bigas. So, ngayon open natin ang ating rice. Unboxing, unsacking. Tawag ko doon, okay. Ang hirap, guys. Sige, buksan natin ang ating rice. Okay. Di ba, guys, meron mga unboxing. Ito naman, unsacking. Bakit manghirap magbukas ng rice? Ano ba yon? I hate this so much to open this rice. Ano ba yan, guys? Paano ba Please, paano ba mag-open ng ano? Isang sako bigas. Struggle is real talaga sa akin to. Every time I open this rice. Gosh, guys. Oops, I don't know if I'm doing right. I hope so. Ayan, mag-unsucking tayo ng rice. I got a jasmine rice. Ayan. Kasi maraming rice nga dito sa Amerika. Merong American rice, Mexican rice, ano pa ba yun? Brown rice, white rice, instant rice, o ano-ano pa. But the best rice para sa akin is jasmine. So, I don't know paano to i-open. Ayan, ganyan na lang. Ay, nako, guys. Ang hirap naman mag-ano nito. Open, ayan, open siya. Oh, shucks. Hindi pa din siya open. I don't know. Sige. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-chika, guys. Ay, the weather today is good. Pero, kailangan mo muna natin buksan to, okay? See you later, guys. Bye. So, ayan. After 10 years, na-open ko na. So, magsasaing na tayo. I like jasmine rice because jasmine rice is very, very, very good rice. Usually in Asian woman like me, it's a good rice. Guys, magsasaing na muna ang inyong lola for breakfast. I cook longganisa for my breakfast. So, this is how I cook my rice. Isang beses ko lang siya binabanlawan, okay na yan. Kasi di ba yung iba 3 beses, pero sa akin okay na yung isa. Okay, and then lutuin na natin siya, ang rice. Okay, yan na. Oops. Hindi ba maraming tubig? Parang ang daming tubig. Bawasan natin is okay. Yan na. Let's cook the rice and then we'll leave it there. Yan na. Tapos na. Okay. Okay. And then I think my breakfast is this one. Pampanga longganisa. And then with eggs. Ayan, guys, with eggs. And then, bakit ganun yung camera? Minsan lumalabo, minsan lumilinaw. Ang weird. My husband, oh, this is it. We'll see kung paano natin siya papaliguan, guys. Oh my God. We'll see. We'll see. Hindi mo na siguro video medyo mahirap, guys. So, see you later. So, is done. So, sick is next. Take a bath. Oh, sick. This much harder. But she'll not take a bath. But the problem, if you put it there, sa umpisa, medyo ayaw pa niya, pero mamaya gusto niya na, okay? Paliguan ko muna siya, guys. Okay, maliligo muna ang aking baby. See? You want to take a shower now, see? You take a shower now. Okay. Yes. Now they're done. Take a shower. So, yan na sila, guys. Tapos nang maligo. Oh, bagong ligo ng aking mga alaga. Yun na. They're done. Take a shower now. They're fresh now. Playing in the grass. Look at that. They look happy. Oh. Look at that. They're so happy. Oh, look at them. Oh my God. Nakatulog na sila, guys. Bagong ligo. Natulog na ang aking mga baby. Hi guys! I'm here sa labas. May mga naglilipara na mga parang particles. I don't know. Ano yan? Ang weird. Look at this. Nakikita niyo ba, guys? Like, this, parang ganyan. I don't know. Parang ang weird. Para siyang, galing sa mga puno ba yan? Look at this, guys. I don't know. Look at this. Ito siya, guys. Ano kaya yan siya, no? Ang dami. Ang weird. So, ito na yung tomato ni husband. Ayan. Ay! Meron na bunga dito, guys. Ayun na. May tomato na kami. Ayun din. May tomato na. Yes. And then yung flower ko. Mamaya ako nila yan siya didiligan kasi mainit na. So, I don't know. Ano to mga nagiliparan na to? Ang weird. Sobrang siyang init, guys. I don't know. Ano yung mga yan. Ayan. Okay. Magtatapon ako ng basura. Okay. Chika na lang tayo mamaya, guys. Bye! Ayan. Nangihingi na sila ng kanilang lunchtime. They are looking for the food. Where's your food? Here. This their food. You know where is their food? Here. Oh my God, sick is. Wait, sick. Oh, this their food. The milk. Oh no, look that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Here. The other one. Here. Oops. Yan ang mga bagong ligo. Oh my God, very spoiled dog. So, this is my cactus now. This one, meron siyang parang flower na rin. Wow. Ganda, no? And then, this one, lumalaki na yung kanya mga turn. Wow. I like cactus, guys, because, you know, I live in Texas, so parang, I want to collect cactus. Ouch! Ang sakit. Natusok ako. So, this one, the first cactus I got. So, malaki na rin siya, guys. So, ayan. And then, the last one, the yellow. Oh, laki na rin siya. Ang ganda. So, this is my cactus collection. I feel relaxing every time I see them. And then the dogs, new shower. New shower now. She smells fresh. Yeah, I know. You feel good now, right? You feel fresh? Oh yeah, I know. That's right. That's the way we talk. She was talking to me. Oh no, I know that, baby. I know, you're right. You're right. I understand. I understand you. You don't like camera, right? You hate camera? You don't like to take a picture of yourself? I know that. I know you hate. She hate camera, guys. So, she don't want to take picture of herself, right? You don't want to take a picture? Huh? She mad now. She's very mad, right? Are you mad? Oh, I know. She's mad, guys. You mad because you take a picture. So that's my vlog for today, guys. Oh my God. The cactus. So, yun muna. I just close my vlog. I'm going to work now. So, happy weekend. And now it's May 5th. We call this Cinco de Mayo in USA. Because it's a Mexican day. Maybe? I don't know. So, yun muna, guys. Happy weekend. And thank you for watching my vlog. Bye!